Have you ever looked at your content and thought, why is nobody buying my product? Why is no one clicking the link? Like, it's literally there, it's glowing, it's pulsing, it's ready for action, and yet you're getting nothing. You're getting views, you're getting some likes, maybe a comment or two if you're lucky, but clicks that go on to purchases, nothing. It's like tumbleweed, and you'll probably start thinking to yourself, well, is it my product? Is it good enough? Am I annoying people? Should I just quit all of this and become a dog walker? If you have ever felt that way, you are 1000% not alone. But if no one's clicking your product link, the problem isn't actually your product. It's the pathway to your product. It's your content. It's your call to action. It's your landing page. It's the way you're framing the invitation to your customer. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, so you can turn those lurkers into clickers and the clickers into customers. Hello and welcome back to the Abundant Business Podcast. I'm your host, Samuel Chapman, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure that you do so that you never miss an episode. I'm here to help you to attract more of your perfect customers, to boost your sales, and to build confidence in every business decision that you make. And if you haven't grabbed your copy of my book, Sell Smarter, Not Harder, make sure that you check out the link underneath this episode. And while you're down there, you can also get my free 6-week daily planner designed to help you to get focused, take action, and get real results. Now, here's what I need you to understand. People don't click on vague. People click on clarity. Most small business owners think people aren't clicking because they don't like their product. The audience is too cold, or the algorithm is broken and they're somehow being shadow banned. But the truth is, you haven't given these customers a reason to click your link. Your content might be nice, but it's not at all motivating. It's not creating curiosity, urgency, or any relevance. So let me give you an example. Our new soy candle is available now. Versus, want to go from frazzled to focused in 10 minutes? Tap here and light this candle. Because you're not selling wax. You're selling a transformation to the way that your customer is feeling. That click only happens when someone feels like there is something on the other side that they need. So how do we get those clicks flowing for you? Let's break it down into 3 key areas. The first one is to fix your call to action, because the number one mistake that I see so often is that so many people don't even have a call to action on their social media, or they just have something vague. You can't assume people know what to do. You have to tell them, and you have to tell them clearly. So here's an example of a call to action that is bad, that I see so often on Instagram. Check it out if you want. Well, what does that even mean? Check it out if you want. Where's the desire? Where's the urgency? Where is the reason for somebody to actually click through and take action? So this is what we want you to say instead. Tap the link in bio or DM me this word to get yours before it sells out. Or click the button to choose your favorite scent. You see, we need you to start taking action using words with emotion-driven benefits. The second step is to make your landing page buyer-friendly. Because once they've clicked, now what? Here is where so many sales go to die. Because you've got a messy landing page, it looks like something straight out of the 90s and hasn't been updated in so long, or you have a confusing collection on a page, or a site with 14 different pop-ups and no clear product in sight. Your product page needs to match what the person has clicked on exactly. It must be mobile optimized, because more than 80% of your traffic is coming through to your site on mobile. It must highlight the emotional benefit to your customer and have a simple layout, a strong headline, scannable information, because your customer is not reading every word that you write. And if you have huge blocks of text, they are just going to click away. So we want you to use a big, bold product name, and a short emotional headline, like for busy women who want to feel relaxed in 5 minutes. We want you to create content that builds curiosity. I want you to think of it a bit like this. The link itself is the destination. Your content that you are creating is the invitation. If your content is just, here's what I made, please buy it, well, that is not an invitation that you're going to accept, is it? That is a sales pitch. So instead, create before and afters. Here's how I use this to feel like this. Use mini stories. This product was born after I had a breakdown in Tesco's, because true stories win. Use teasers. Like this is something that is going to make your mornings feel magical. And then, want to be the first to get it? DM me this word and I'll get you on the waiting list. We want you to make sure that your customers know what to do. We want them to know exactly why they're taking action and what they're going to get for it. So I want you to audit your last 5 posts and ask yourself, was there a clear emotion-driven call to action? Did the content create curiosity or solve a problem? Where does the link actually go to? And is that page helping or hurting your sales? Then I want you to make one tweak to your call to action today. Make it bolder, clearer, and more focused on what's in it for your customer. And then don't forget to let me know what you're getting up to. Send me a DM on Instagram at Product Coach Sam. And if you want any more guidance on what you're doing, please just ask. Now, if you want help standing out in front of your ideal customers, encouraging them to return more often, and increasing your average order value, that is exactly what we do inside my Focus coaching sessions, because we meet every weekday to get stuff done. Not just talk about it, not just hope that it magically works itself out. So book your free discovery call by clicking the link below this episode, and we'll create a tailor-made strategy for you. And if you want more proven retail sales tips, hit the subscribe button and grab your free 6-week planner in the link below this episode, designed to help you to stay focused, take action, and get real results. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Abundant Business Podcast. If you loved it, share the episode on your Instagram stories and tag me in it, because I'm on a mission to help as many small business owners as possible achieve their biggest and brightest year in business. And I can only do that if you share this podcast with anyone who you think will benefit from it. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.